Hi Alta Vista families, this is Miss Helton, and today I want to show you a really awesome website for your students to practice their math. The website is called Math Playground. You can find the web address right here. It's www.mathplayground.com. As you can see, Math Playground has lots of different games, and they're divided into these categories. So one thing that we really want to focus on at Alta Vista is that students are building their fact fluency with either addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. A really easy way to do that is to play some of these games. You can see here's just the addition and subtraction games, and they have tons of them. I'll go back. Let's check out some of the multiplication and division games. You can see that they have lots of those there too. Fourth and fifth grade are working on division, or will be soon. So there's division and remainders video and a long division game. That would be great practice for your fourth and fifth graders. Now, one thing that I think almost all students really struggle with are word problems. So Math Playground has a great resource to build students' capacity to solve word problems, and that's called Thinking Blocks. So you can click on Solve It, Thinking Blocks. And they have different categories. They've got junior for your smallest students. They've got addition, which is addition and subtraction. And they've got multiplication, which is multiplication and division. So I'm going to click on the junior. And I'm going to go through one of these. There's different types of problems you can practice. I'm just going to do random models. So here's our question, and it's going to read it to us if we click on this volume button or speaker button.
Mark and Betty plan to donate 5 sweaters at its grand opening party. By noon, people have received the sweaters. How many sweaters were left?
Alright, so we're trying to find out how many sweaters were left. So that total sweaters is what we're looking for. That's our whole. And we're trying to find out how many sweaters were donated. That's part of it. And then how many sweaters were left. You can drag out these boxes because these represent the numbers that we're looking for. I'm going to click the check mark. Alright, so now I got to fill in the numbers. The total numbers came from the story, which was 5, so I'm going to put that right here. It says by noon, 2 people had received a sweater, so I'm going to put 2 right here. And then how many sweaters were left? We don't know that, so I'm going to put a question mark right there. I'm going to check my work. I got it right. So if I have a total of 5 sweaters, 2 of those were already donated, I can do 5 minus 2. One great thing is students can draw, so they can write 5 minus 2 equals 3. Alright, so I'm going to click on 3. I'm going to check my answer. I got it right. If you get an answer wrong, then it's going to help you figure out how to do it correctly. So this thinking blocks are a great way for students to practice word problems, and they're practicing in a format that they've seen at school, which is called strip diagrams. So if your students have some time and they don't know what to do, I would highly recommend that you encourage them to check out mathplayground.com, where you will find lots of fun games that students can play to practice their math facts. Until next time, have a great November.